In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to obtain a Shopify authentication code by setting up two-step authentication. We'll go through both the SMS delivery method and using an authenticator app, so you can choose the option that works best for you. Setting up two-step authentication is a crucial step in securing your Shopify account, adding an extra layer of protection by requiring a secondary form of verification every time you log in. First, let's walk through the process of setting up two-step authentication via SMS. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. From there, navigate to Manage Account and select Security. Once you're in the Security section, look for the two-step authentication area and click Turn on Two-Step. The system will then prompt you to enter your password, confirm your credentials by clicking Next, and proceed to select SMS delivery as your preferred authentication method. Now, it's time to configure your SMS settings. You'll need to select your country code and enter your phone number accurately. This is essential, as any errors could prevent you from receiving your authentication code. Once you've input the correct information, click Send Authentication Code. On receiving the SMS, enter the code into the designated field to verify. Finish by clicking Turn On, and your SMS-based two-step authentication should now be active. Now that SMS authentication is set up, let's cover how to retrieve your authentication code when logging in. On the Shopify login screen, you'll be prompted to enter the authentication code. At this point, check your phone for the SMS message containing the 6-digit code. Simply enter this code into the provided field on the login screen, and you'll be all set to access your account. If you prefer using an authenticator app instead of SMS, you'll follow the same process of being prompted for an authentication code when logging in. Open your authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator. Look for the 6-digit code that's generated specifically for your Shopify account and type it into the Shopify login screen. This gives you a convenient and highly secure way to verify your identity. Let's discuss a few important considerations that can ensure your account's safety. Always save your recovery codes in a secure place. These codes are your safety net if you ever lose access to your primary authentication method. It's wise to consider setting up a backup authentication method in addition to your primary one, such as an authenticator app or the aforementioned recovery codes, to prepare for any unforeseen issues. In case you encounter trouble, like not receiving your SMS code, double-check your phone number for accuracy, ensure you have a reliable network connection, and remember to check your spam folder. If issues persist, consult your recovery codes or get in touch with Shopify support for further assistance. With these steps and tips, you're well on your way to securing your Shopify account with two-step authentication.